Good morning, students. Today we will go through the lesson for history, second phase of the Indian nationalism. Okay, Indian national movement. It was mainly about Bengal. In this lesson is speaking about a Bengal division. Actually, Lord Hussein was one of the British officer. He wanted to divide the Bengal in two parts. Actually, this is administrative measures that result in strong resentment was partition of Bengal in 1905. So he wanted to divide the Bengal in two parts. First part was that a Bengal western part and a Bengal eastern part. Okay, the Bengal included the western district, Bengal proper and Bihar and Odisha. This is a population of 54 million and Calcutta was the capital of that western Bengal and eastern Bengal with Assam and its capital was Dhaka, 31 million people. Here 54 million people were there, here 31 million people. And the province of eastern Bengal was dominated by Bengali Muslims. Okay, 31 million people was the Bengali Muslims and minority people were there, Muslims and Hindus. The scheme of the partition of Bengal was implemented on October 16, 1905. Okay, they wanted to divide the Bengal because in order to the administrative purpose, they are telling one single government is very difficult to administrate, do the administration. So they wanted to make a easy administration, so they divided Bengal into, they planned to divide Bengal into two parts, but they also had a bad motives, that is to divide the Hindus and Muslims, bring disunity among the Hindus and Muslims so that there may not be national movement. National movement will become the weaker if the Muslims and Hindus are fighting each other. Bengal was a nerve center of Indian nationalism at that time, so British hoped to stop a rising of tide of nationalism. That was main purpose, to stop the nationalism by the partition of Bengal. Now, the partition of the state is mainly reducing the minority state intended to the curb Bengalis' influence by only placing Bengalis under to administrative, but reducing them to minority in Bengal itself. They wanted to reduce the minority people in Bengal itself. No need of going to other place like Assam and all. The partition was meant to foster the division on the basis of religion, and East Bengal would be permanently a Muslim majority state and West Bengal would be a Hindu majority state. They wanted to divide it in a religion wise, not the linguistic wise. The Indian nationalists clearly saw the design of behind a partition. They understood that international movement people understood that their plan and deliberate attempt to divide the Bengalis religious, traditional, territorial grounds, not the linguistic ground. Linguistic means speaking, Hindi speaking or Bengali speaking or Odia speaking. But they wanted to divide the religion wise. That is why they were so much arrogant people. It hurt the sentiments of the Bengalis. It hurt the sentiments of the Bengalis. And the known as and the people started a strong movement against the partition known as the anti-movement, partition movement. There were so many people against the anti-partition movement. They against their plan. People, political leaders, and all the zamindars, merchant, lawyers, women, children, all participated in the fight. In the there was a against anti-movement, anti-partition movement. They all were participated. Many protest meetings were held in the eminent leaders like Surendranath Banerjee and Kumar Mitra, P.C. Roy, P.C. Pal, Ananda Mohan Bose. They were in that eminent people in that movement. And there were also newspapers they produced, Bengali in Hitabadi, and there was in Sanjeevani. All these newspapers they produced in order to give awareness for the people, because the Britishers planning to divide the Bengal. So that was, and there is a meeting, a big meeting held in town hall in Kolkata. Kolkata में meeting also with the eminent people, delegates, their movement, rest of the province, all the people together, they made a anti-partition movement in August 7, 1945. Now people's reaction, we can go through the people. People were so much reacted against this partition. There were Hartal in Kolkata, and people sang the Vande Mataram and protested. And Amar Sonar Bengali Golden Rabindranath Tagore composed national patriotic song. The people were singing and taking parade. Okay, ceremony Raksha Bandhan, Hindus and among Muslims. There was a Raksha Bandhan in order to show the unity among the people. And also there was the afternoon there was a great demonstration when the Venetan Mohan Ananda Mohan Bose laid a foundation of the Federation Hall to mark the indestructible unity of Bengal. They don't want to destroy the unity of the Bengal, so they all had a meeting, demonstration by these people. Now impact of the anti-partition movement. Lord Curzon was main person to anti-partition movement. He was a main person for a division. But the partition of Bengal along with the anti-partition movement accelerated the national movement by spreading it among the general masses. Masses means a group of people. The people rose unity to resist, suffer and sacrifice. That was the people's reaction against it. And Swadeshi and boycott. You know, nowadays also boycott is going against China products. In the same way, they told we don't want any items, British goods from Britishers, and they burned the public places of shop selling of the British goods, and they wanted to Swaraj, get a freedom from Britishers. That was industries, education, cultural, literature. All the people's spirit was spread through the industries, education, culture, literature, etc. The people lost their faith in their play of justice and of British. People actually believed in the Britishers, they will do favor to the Indians, but they understood they are just doing fair play. Fair play means injustice to Indians. So partition of Bengal is a settled fact, and what is settled cannot be unsettled. Lord Curzon said we have already decided to partition of Bengal. Now we cannot unsettle it. We cannot do anything. We have decided it. Anti-partition agitation, plain Lord Curzon. Strength of the national movement. It gave added strength to the national movement. Anti-partition agitation. People was against the Britishers. It became the national movement. It gave more strength to the national movement of the people. And the methods adopted by early nationalists lost their appeal and gave opportunity to assertive nationalists to lead the national movement. And they wanted to, Bengalis asked to divide the Bengal linguistic rather than religious ground. We don't want to divide Bengal in the religion wise, Hindus and Muslims, but it should be divided into linguistic, language wise, like Odisha speaking, Hindi speaking, and Bengali speaking group wise to divide, but they were not ready to do it. And another thing we can see, and the form of separate administrative units, the administrative capital of British India was shifted from Kolkata to Delhi in 1911. So these are the main things. So India first, the capital of India was in Bengal. Now it is shifted to Delhi. Now at present our capital of India is Delhi. That is 1911. It's very important. Now Surat split of 1907 is cancelled, this part. So you will get another video. Okay, you go through the main points and write note of that. Thank you.